There are instances that you have a text or a, card number or wallet address that you're gonna need to use a couple of times throughout the day or week or even in a month. That is not efficient to write it out of your memorization or just visit that website or wallet to copy that address or text, whatever. The most efficient way in these particular problems are use text replacement. So you enter the phrase, your card number, and you like enter, my Visa card number or Visa C. So this way, you just by entering those, words or alphabets even, you're gonna have that card number or wallet address or anything you want summoned. So what you should do is you should go to your settings, go to general, go to keyboard, and then in text replacement you're gonna have a list of those phrases and shortcuts you made. So you can click on plus. On phrase, we are gonna enter the card number, whatever the thing that we want to be summoned. So I just paste it. Take care that the first option is copy. Don't click on it because you're gonna copy phrase. I just paste my address, so I'm gonna use this address a lot of times throughout the day, and I want it to be summoned with open chat wallet address. When I save, if I write the same things with space, I'm gonna have it summoned. And take care that if your first, word, first alphabet that you write is in caps lock, it's gonna write the address or whatever you have in caps lock too. So take care of that. And that's it. I hope I have helped you. Bye bye.